Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to customize your home screen in iOS. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your phone, and the home screen is what you see right now right after you open the phones. So the part that containing a lot of applications in is called home screen. So here you can see that we already have, or I already have this all of application, but then not all of these applications I use to often every day. So to organize that, so to make your home screen last application, we can do this instead. So let's say here I am rarely use this Google Sheet because on my productivity there is also a Google Sheet application there, so I will like to remove this. To remove it, you just need to go click and hold and give a little bit movement until the application start to be shaky, and after that you just need to go click this minus button and go click remove from home screen, and this application will be removed. So for the next thing we need to do is arranging the application. Arranging the application is really easy, so make sure that you already got this type of conditions which are the application is checking. Now you just need to choose which applications that you want to arrange. So let's say here the meet you applications, I will let to arrange it to be near with the drive, so I will let you just need to drag it into the specific part that you want. And then if you want to create such a folder like this, it's also simple. You just need to do this instead. So let's say here I would like to assemble this clock and calendar, so you just need to drag this calendar to be on the top part of the clock, and you will or the system will create in the folder for you. But then if you don't want to do that, you just need to go back instead. And after you're done doing everything, you just need to go click done, and you got already a new home screen style on your phone. So that is the way, guys, how to customize the home screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.